Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Binance US to your US bank via ACH, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw from Binance US to your US bank via ACH, begin by logging into your Binance US account. Navigate to the wallet section located at the top of the home page. Select withdraw from the drop-down menu. In the withdrawal section, choose the cryptocurrency you wish to convert to USD. Enter the amount you want to withdraw, ensuring it adheres to Binance withdrawal limits. Next, you will see the option labeled Withdraw to Bank. Select this option to proceed. If you have not yet linked a bank account, you will be prompted to do so. Follow the on-screen instructions to link your US bank account. After linking, confirm your bank account by checking your email for a verification code. Enter the verification code to finalize the link. Once your bank account is successfully linked, return to the withdrawal section. Select your linked bank account from the drop-down menu. Review the details of your withdrawal for accuracy. If everything is correct, click on the Withdraw button to initiate the process. You will receive a confirmation email regarding your withdrawal request. Typically, ACH withdrawals take 1 to 3 business days to process. Be aware of any potential fees associated with the withdrawal. Monitor your bank account for the incoming funds once the processing is complete. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Binance US Help Center for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.